How to remove color grading in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all color correction work is done in DaVinci Resolve. Next, select the clip in your timeline that has color grading applied. You will see one or more nodes in the node editor. Each node represents a different adjustment or effect added to the clip. To remove all color grading completely, right-click anywhere in the node graph area and choose Reset all grades and nodes. This will delete all color changes and bring the clip back to its original state with no grading applied. If you don't want to remove everything, but just certain parts, you can click on individual nodes and press the delete key. This lets you remove a specific correction while keeping others intact. Once you have removed the nodes you want, review the clip in the timeline. If you have removed all the color graded nodes, you should now see the original version of your footage without any color grading applied. And that's it. Now you know how to remove color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.